Welcome to a journey into the heart of winter, where life persists, even thrives, beneath the frost. Today, we venture not to the Arctic tundra, but to a landscape just as seemingly dormant, the winter garden. Here, a select group of plants, masters of resilience, offer us a bounty of fresh, flavorful produce, even as the world around them sleeps. Join me and discover the wonders of growing your own winter garden. Our first subject is a study in hardiness, a leafy green that laughs in the face of frost kale. This nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals, thrives in the cool embrace of winter. But before we sow our seeds, we must prepare the soil. Kale prefers well-drained soil, rich in organic matter. Amend your beds with compost, a nourishing blanket to sustain our winter crop. Now for the planting. Kale seeds, tiny capsules of potential, should be sown directly into the prepared bed. A light dusting of soil over the seeds, and a gentle watering, and we leave them to the elements. Fear not the frost, for it only serves to sweeten the flavor of kale. The cold triggers a process where starches are converted to sugars, resulting in a more palatable and even more nutritious leaf. As the weeks progress, keep a watchful eye on your kale, ensuring it receives adequate moisture. A layer of mulch, like straw or wood chips, will help retain moisture and insulate the roots from temperature fluctuations. And then, the reward. Harvest your kale when the leaves are large and vibrant, their edges kissed with frost, each leaf a testament to the resilience of nature and the bounty of the winter garden. Beneath the surface, hidden from the winter chill, another wonder takes root, the carrot. This unassuming root vegetable possesses a secret. Cold weather intensifies its sweetness. Carrots, like kale, prefer well-drained soil. However, they are less tolerant of heavy, compacted soil. Loosen the soil deeply, ensuring good drainage for these subterranean gems. Spacing is key when planting carrots. Sow the seeds thinly, leaving about an inch between each one. This allows ample space for the roots to develop without competing for resources. Watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Consistent moisture encourages strong root development. A deep watering once a week is preferable to frequent, shallow watering. As the weeks turn into months, the magic of the cold works its wonders. The lower temperatures signal the carrot to convert its starches to sugars, resulting in a sweeter, more flavorful harvest. Harvest your carrots when they reach a desirable size, their vibrant orange hues peeking through the soil. Each carrot a testament to the patient work of nature and the hidden treasures of the winter garden. Our final stop takes us back to autumn. For some crops, like garlic, are planted in the fall for a winter harvest. These cloves, pungent and potent, are a staple in kitchens around the world. Garlic prefers well-drained soil, amended with compost. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, for garlic thrives in warmth, even in the cool season. Separate the garlic bulb into individual cloves, each one a miniature bulb waiting to sprout. Plant the cloves pointy end up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. A light layer of mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, will help insulate the cloves over the winter, protecting them from temperature fluctuations. As the snow falls and melts, the garlic quietly establishes its root system, drawing nutrients from the cold earth. Come spring, green shoots will emerge, a sign that life continues beneath the surface. Harvest your garlic in midsummer, when the tops begin to brown and dry. Carefully lift the bulbs from the soil and allow them to cure in a warm, dry place for several weeks. And there you have it, a gift from autumn enjoyed in the depths of winter. The pungent, flavorful reward of garlic, a testament to the cyclical nature of the garden. And so we conclude our journey through the winter garden, a testament to the resilience of nature and the rewards of patience. From the frost-kissed leaves of kale to the sweet, earthy crunch of a carrot to the pungent aroma of freshly harvested garlic, the winter garden offers a bounty of flavors, even in the depths of the cold. So embrace the chill, prepare your garden beds, and discover the wonders that await. Thank you for watching our guide on growing a winter garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips.